Greetings brothers and sisters, Econ here from Eat to Live Not To Die. This is a video on how to use our myrrh clove alkaline tooth powder. So the first thing you want to do is wet your toothbrush. You don't want to put your wet toothbrush into the myrrh clove because water will create the mold in there and that's what you don't want. Keep it dry. So now you want to add some of the myrrh clove to your wet toothbrush like so, and then brush. Do this process about twice. We're now using the key limes so we can whiten the teeth. It's not absolutely necessary. Some may say the myrrh clove is fine, and some may say I even just use key lime and not the myrrh clove. There is no right or wrong way, but this is what we suggest for people to do. You can use the myrrh clove for all oral conditions.